Welcome back to Island Infusions with Renu. Today we are going to be making sambal. For today's recipe you are going to need shredded coconut, red chili pepper. I make this at home out of the dried chili. Salt. Dried Maldives fish that I usually get out from our local grocery store. We can use tamarind paste or we can use lime lemon. It's up to your choice. Usually I use the tamarind paste. Onions, and of course curry leaves. Once you add all the ingredients, make sure you mix them thoroughly well. This makes sure that everything is distributed. Once you're done with the mixture, you can use a mortar and a pestle to ground the sambal, or the other option, which what I like to use, is a food processor. Maldives fish, or Maasi in Tamil, is optional, but I'm using it for this recipe. The sambal is done when coconut flakes are finely chopped. If you like this recipe, share, like the video, and subscribe. Enjoy!